At syempre, ito na yung ating lutong Pinoy guys. Nitong lapas bachoy. So bibili tayo dyan mamaya. Ikot lang tayo. Kapsi. So masarap daw dito yung pansit eh. Kaya balikan natin yan. Dito naman sa Patpat Kansi House. Siguro. Sir, mukhang masarap ang bulalo natin ah.
Sure sir, talaga. Ito oh. Bulalo na mga ilong ko, masarap to. Yan oh.
Wow.
Magkano yun sir?
90 sir, with rice na siya.
90 with rice.
Yes po.
Wala siyang drinks, di ba?
Wala. Sa melon kami sir.
Oh, si Melon. Sige. Ikot lang ako, Sarah. Tikman natin yan.
Thank you.
Okay, ikot tayo. Yun. Ito naman ay sa Thai food. Sobrang init dito, grabe. Sawadee-kap! Okay, 30. Wait, I'll come back. So, ano kayong pagkain nila dyan?
Thai style.
Thai style, right?
Yes. So this is a restaurant in Phuket Old Town by Go Niao.
Go Niao.
Go Niao is the shop's name. Go Niao Apple.
Wow.
Wow, thank you. Hey, my friend. What do you call this one?
Sorry, kacang ma. This is the kacang ma.
How much? $30?
Yeah.
Okay, is it beef or
It's a chicken.
Chicken.
Yes. Mano. Where you from?
Manok
Yeah, Mano.
from Philippines.
Yes. I can see.
Okay, so $30. Okay. Dilamin. Oh, it's a fried rice, my friend. Wow, it's yummy, right? Lamin is Borneo?
Yeah, Borneo.
Lamin. What do you mean by lamin?
Sarawak.
What do you mean by lamin?
That means the room
Yeah.
is made in. This is the lamin is bahasa Filipina.
Oh, I
Because
see.
Sarawak is many lots of language.
Yeah.
It's we are Tan, but lamin is represent the language of Bangkulu.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Many language in our country.
Yeah. Okay. So I think I like the fried rice. The brown rice.
The one is
How much the one?
10 only. Almost
$10. Okay. Later I will come back. Thank you, sister.
Bye.
Hey, brother. It's a barbecue.
Yeah, it's a grilled chicken.
Grilled chicken is a Borneo or Malaysia?
It's a Borneo, Malaysia.
Borneo, Malaysia.
Gula
Oh,
is
same.
from... Huh?
Wow.
No, that one is gula merah. This is the gula
Looks
apong.
yummy.
Yeah.
Color was very, very,
Sorry?
very delicious.
A bit
Nice.
not that sweet, but
Hey, my friend. Smoked beef, how much?
no, we
No.
on this.
Oh. So only this one.
Yeah.
Not smoked beef.
Yeah.
Yes,
But
right.
Beef is already sold out.
Okay, so now how much this one?
This one is per piece is like 40.
40 per piece.
Yeah. And two is 60.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Wanna buy?
So buy one, buy two, and then you get $60.
Yeah.
You buy one, so $40.
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
You can have discount $20. Okay, my friend. Later, I'll come back.
Nice shirt, by the way.
Thank you. Say hi to my YouTube channel.
Hello.
Hey guys, so from Brunei, so we are here selling the street food, and today is the last day. So we're here at the Fisherman's Wharf. So okay, thank you. So shout out muna dyan sa mga breaks natin. Shout out sa artisan here in Lapa. Okay?
Sarawak.
Sarawak, Borneo. Wow, thanks bro. Thanks brother. Dito sa banda na to, is mga Chinese food na siya. So, doon lang tayo sa Thai, Malaysian. Chicken, I don't know, skin salad. Ano na to? Hello! Wow, so yummy. It's a beef.
Macau.
储存的过程是不同的这一个年级等级的这一个放松方式。放松一下。
Grabing init, pinagpapawisan ako masyado. Nasa loob kasi tayo kaya hindi masyado makakapasok yung hangin. Although open air dito. Kaya yan.
然后晒干了之后的水平再次的出去。口感，然后同时味道呢会更加丰富的多元化。
So maulan kasi sa labas. On and off yung ating ulan. Ito pa tayo. Hey my friend. Each na, how much? 24. 24 ah. Each. So each 24.
这个
48. Nico 24. Okay. 48 to guys. So 48. Ito naman 24. So dito tayo sa pagkain ng Macau. Ano bang meron? Tingnan natin kung anong meron sa Macau. Wow! Chicken pizza salad, yung boneless, masarap yan. Saka yun, no? Diba? Ay, wow! Parang nung ganito. At mag-i-enjoy ka talaga dito guys kasi marami ka naman pagpipilian. Diba? Ganyan. Wow. So yummy my friend. Sarap ng mga barbecue. Amoy pa lang nabubusog ka na. So yummy. Hello bro. Okay. Wow. Yummy. It's a rib fry. Daming choices guys. Sarap ng barbecue tsaka yung ribs. Ganun. Hello bro. Sarap nito guys. Wow. Wow. So perfect na place to guys pa family. Kasi mag-enjoy din yung mga bata. Lalo sa mga barbecue. At hindi lang barbecue. Siyempre nag-init tayo ngayon so maraming ice cream, mga salad. Kaganyan. Wow. Diba? Hi Chichi, yato kichi na. Yeah, tama na. So 100 MOB yung isang piraso. Ang lalaki ng seafood guys, oh. Grabe, sarap po. So, dito naman, Marina Bar. So, abig sabihin may live band dito. Let's go guys, tara. Alangat tayo ng fresh air. Medyo mahangin dito kasi overlooking na tayo sa bridge and then seaside. At marami kaming mga guests na pinapunta dito kasi nga malapit lang. So dito lang yung Macau Ferry. So kapag kumakain ka, meron din dito wifi. O diba? At fresh air. Villa. Masarap yan guys. Po Garden. Ayun. So palabas na tayo ng Marina Bar. Let's go. Balik ulit tayo dito guys. Diba? Guys, pupunta tayo sa dulo. Parang mas maganda dun ah. Parang may kilala ako dito guys ah. Parang ka-workmate ko. Sabi na eh, may kilala ako dito. Ayun na! Ay! Ayun, ka-workmate kasi na sabi na eh, ikot-ikot muna tayo. Uy, ano? Hey bro!
Welcome to your vlog.
Yes. Ano, dyan kayo? Galing na ako, dito na ako. Titikman ko yung bulalo nila. Ingat ka bro! Boys want some boy. So let's go. Guys, pupunta na tayo dun sa La Paz Batchoy, sa Iloilo. Wow, sarap. So guys, muli binalikan natin yung menu nila kasi first time ko rin natikman yung La Paz Batchoy. Although kahit yan, although
Well, we only have sir yung
alin,
na lang.
bihon na lang ba?
Sorry na, sold out na kasi yung pero masarap yan.
Okay din yan, sige, tikman natin. First time nating tikman yung La Paz Batchoy kung anong meron. Ayun guys. So tinitikman na ni Kabayan yung ating order.
The Philippines famous.
Yun, famous food from the Philippines. At syempre, ito yung sabaw nila.
Masarap. Manami.
Alright. Yun. Yan na. Yun.
Section na Macau.
Saan pa natin pwedeng kainin dyan sa?
Pizza.
Sige sir, dito lang baba. Baba mo na, lagay mo na dyan. Okay.